Hearing a loud whistling noise from the engine bay, along with rough idle or a P0171 lean code? On many Trax models, this points to a ruptured PCV diaphragm integrated into the camshaft cover. Cold weather and age can cause crankcase pressure to build and force the failure. Haynes Manuals provides clear procedures for camshaft cover removal and installation, helping you replace the cover and restore proper engine operation. Get your Chevrolet Trax manual at Haynes.com.